you guys. Dr. Melanie Carlone and Pico de Gallo, who apparently wants to be in videos with me because he just seems to love it. It's so funny. So, I'm a physical therapist, a somatic healer, and a practitioner of meditation and yoga for many, many years. And today I want to explore honoring the protector. I want to go into a meditation, into a deep contemplation and an honoring of that internal part of ourselves that's always trying to protect us, that has a sense from early on, and it's a primitive part of the brain, of what it needed to do to make sure we were safe. So often when we get these annoying challenges in our body, difficulty moving certain ways, or pains that keep moving around and you aren't able to explain them, very often it's the protector. And by altering and changing the way that we see those things from difficulty and challenges into what should I learn from this? What is there to know? There's a shift literally in your biochemistry. There's a different way that your body approaches those difficulties. So that's what I want to do today, is bring a meditation that hopefully you can play over and over again when you need to remind you where that protector has a role in your life and what you can do to see him or her, and where you can release her from the vigilance and the hyperactivity of trying to protect you and come back into more balance. So, I'm going to invite you to find your seat. Feel your sit bones at the base of the spine, like two thumbs pressing into clay. You could even let one push down and the other. Back and forth a few times in your lower pelvis, just seating, grounding. Feel your feet on the floor and let your eyes close or cast them downward. And find your breath. Let the breath find you. Let your awareness be in the low back ribs, breathing as if you could widen the low back ribs behind you into the back, softening, let go. Breathing in and breathing out. And just by bringing your attention behind you, you soften the nervous system. When we're vigilant and things are not safe, your attention is forward and sharp honed. When you're feeling safe and relaxed, the nervous system is in a parasympathetic mode. You can more easily feel behind you. You can sense things around you. So let your orientation be behind you as we prepare ourselves for a time of gratitude. So as you feel your sit bones, as you feel the spine, a gentle inward curving in the low back, out at the chest, back in at the neck, breath behind you, ear over shoulder, over hip. Let your next breath or the one after just release any remaining tension into the ground as if it were pouring through your feet. And if, like some of us, you feel restless or your legs are moving or it's hard to sit still, don't fight it. Take that tensing, and even if you're quiet now, we're going to practice this. And for a moment, grip your toes, pull your feet into the ground, arch your back and tense your lower legs. Tighten your belly. Keep breathing in your low back, but lift your heart, squeeze your shoulder blades behind, draw your chin in. Let your crown rise. Feel the body alert. The protector as if it were through the body. Thank you. And soften the feet, the ankles. 5, 4, relax the legs. 3, soften the belly. Deepen the solar plexus. 2, soften the heart, the neck. 1, and let go all the way. And feel the contrast. Most times we work best as humans experiencing contrast, the up and the down of it, the black and the white, the tension and the relaxation. Thank you. And once again, breathing in the low back, This time I'm going to invite you to softly dig your heels in as if you were pushing your legs away from you. Arch your back and roll your belly button forward. Pull your belly in and tighten your core. Round the shoulders forward. Pull your chin in like a turtle. Hold just enough tension to feel it. Keep pushing your heels. Breathing in the low back, and now releasing the heels, the shins. 5, 4, soften the belly, solar plexus. 3, relax the shoulders back. 2, soften the neck. Deepen the eyes. 1, soften the brain. Let your scalp drape. 0. And feel the beautiful contrast of tension in the front and relaxing, tension in the back, relaxing. So often our bodies learn best by witnessing contrast. Suffering comes when we jump into the contrast and become attached to it one way or another, either clinging so it doesn't change or being adverse to it and wanting it to change. See with your breath behind you, maybe your eyes softly to the side. See if you can rise above and just notice it all. Let witness mind come in. And who is it that's witnessing? Just notice. Let the mind be soft in curiosity, easy in not knowing. There's a prayer that I often do in my yoga class that invites this, to bow down and offer all of my efforts to all of my teachers. The teacher, which is this birth I have taken, that teacher, which is this life I continue to lead, that teacher, which is the hardships and calamities in my way, the teacher who sits close by, and the teacher who is beyond all this, formless and supreme, that teacher who is beyond all this, formless and supreme. And internally let yourself bow down in gratitude to this body built to serve, all of it. The physical challenges, the triumphs, your wins today, yesterday, this month, this life, and your losses. And from a place of witnessing it all, bow down in gratitude and recognize and allow something to relax, because really, as much as we'd like to think we control it, life happens to us. Life lives through us. Knowing that, can something soften? Can you release something in the pelvis, in the belly? Can the ribs widen in your breath and the relaxation a little more? Can your shoulders find their place resting on your rib cage, holding nothing up? Can your jaw sit in a place neither forward, back, or to either side, just soft in the center? Your eyes in a place of looking inward gently, smoothing your brow, letting the scalp just drape over your head, cheeks soft, breath soft. And just for this moment, you can pick it up afterwards. Just for this moment, let everything go that's been both concerning you and absorbing you, that maybe even has you passionate and hooked. Just let it go, just for this moment. And fall into the gap, that quiet place in between things, the place that's always there. It never goes away. We go away. And come to know it as a friend, slipping into the gap, space between. Music cannot be music without the space between the notes. Life is not lived without having space between events and thoughts. And so know yourself as someone who can slip into the gap, into the quiet space. And again, with your next breath or the one after, let it be one of gratitude for this body built to serve, for the protector who is always ever trying to help, for the witness of all of it, and for the one who engages. And when you notice that that protector has come into the room, into your life, into your awareness, very gently giving it a voice by tensing it, not berating yourself or trying to push it away, but allow it to be tense, very slowly contracting and very softly letting go wherever it is. And after letting go, let the breath return. The breath, especially the breath behind you in your awareness, return to any place of tension. And on the out breath, just let go. So with a deep bow of gratitude to the body built to serve, feel your feet on the ground now and your hands in your lap. Feel the palms of the hands and the soles of the feet. And now feel them both at the same time, widening your awareness. And feeling the palms of your hands and the soles of your feet, let your awareness include the breath behind you, the way the low back ribs move with the breath, palms, soles, breath. And now let the breath lengthen, breathing in, soft, low, long exhale. Let yourself return back and slowly let the eyes open. And then bringing back to full orientation, let your eyes move and land on something. Notice everything you can about it. Let your head line up with it. And then let the eyes move again. Take in what you can and let the head move. This very simple technique of moving the eyes, noticing, and then moving the head is another beautiful tool for softening nervous system overload. Eye, head orientation, breath in the low back, and gratitude. So I'm grateful for you all. I'm grateful for this medium. I'm Dr. Melanie Carlone, somatic healer, physical therapist. This is Why It Hurts and How to Heal. I appreciate you being here. Hit the subscribe button, do the thing, help out a sister. And I look forward to seeing you again. See you guys next time. Say bye, Pico.